We're in Inglewood, California. About to up some In-N-Out. Check it out. In-N-Out first opened its doors in 1948 in West Covina, California. To everyone, it's that small California shack. Never frozen patties, good old American cheese, grilled onions, and crossing palm trees is everything. The grease and salty loveliness of this burger is endless memories of joy and gluttonous amazement. That's why I stack a 3x3. Bang.
So what'd you think, bro?
What did you think, bro? Y'all seen that? Y'all didn't see me eating my burger because Dex was too busy eating his. So why don't you tell these motherfuckers what you thought about that burger, bro?
Got a double, animal soft fries, and a drink.
I had a 3x3 and a drink. Well done, fries. I'm ready to die. Damn right, I like the life I live. I love In-N-Out, man. Catch us in December. We're gonna be hitting Las Vegas to do the 5 burger challenge. Five Guys, In-N-Out, Shake Shack, White Castle, Fat Burger, all in one day. Right now, while you're in LA, the #1 spot, In-N-Out, that's hands down. Even Anthony Bourdain, rest in peace, said that shit.
Oh yeah, there it is. My favorite restaurant in Los Angeles.
You don't like it, you, mom. It's GrubLife. Hope you enjoyed that.
Gang, gang.
All day. Out.